For those enchanted by the boundless beauty of the sky and fueled by a passion for photography, the allure of capturing moments from above is unparalleled. Sky lovers, unite! Immerse yourself in the art of aerial photography with our top pick for the best drones for beginners in 2024. This drone is more than a gadget. It's a gateway to your creative skies. With intuitive controls tailored for enthusiasts and budding photographers, it seamlessly combines ease of use with powerful features. Unleash your artistic vision with high-resolution cameras and advanced functionalities designed to elevate your aerial photography game. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let your passion soar as you embark on a journey to capture the breathtaking perspectives that only the sky can offer. Let's get started. Number 5. Oto Robotics Evo Nano Plus. Best ultra-lightweight design. Oto Evo Nano Plus, a marvel of drone technology packed into an ultra-lightweight design. Weighing just 249 grams, this pocket-sized drone requires no registration or geofencing, making it the ultimate travel companion for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Equipped with a groundbreaking 4K RYYB Leica camera, the Evo Nano Plus boasts 40% more light capture in low-light conditions. The cutting-edge technology, combined with a 1x1.28 CMOS sensor and 50 MP lens by Leica, ensures superior image quality, especially during nighttime adventures. Safety takes the forefront with 3-direction obstacle sensing and the ability to withstand level 5 winds. The drone soars to a max altitude of 4,000 meters, offering stable footage even in challenging environments. Dynamic Track 2.1 enables automatic subject tracking, and with an industry-leading flight time of 28 minutes, creativity knows no bounds. Experience one-click vlog quick shots with rocket, fadeaway, orbit, and thick modes, making cinematic shots accessible to both beginners and seasoned pilots. The Oto Skylink ensures a remarkable 10-kilometer video transmission range and supports 2.4/5.2 G/5.8 Hz 3-frequency communication for optimal signal quality. The dual autofocus technology and 4K HDR camera elevate the drone's capabilities, providing quick and accurate focus, as well as stunning image detail. Number 4. Holystone HS720E. Best GPS-equipped drone. Holystone HS720E 4K drone. Specifically designed for adults, this GPS-equipped marvel redefines drone capabilities with a host of advanced features. The HS720E is not just a drone, it's an FAA-compliant solution for hassle-free flying. Complete with the remote ID module, it ensures compliance with FAA requirements, allowing you to soar the skies with peace of mind. Capture breathtaking moments with the 4K EIS anti-shake camera, featuring Sony sensor technology for unparalleled image quality. The drone's stability is further enhanced by seamless outdoor flight capabilities, GPS allocation, and auto return to home functionality, promising a worry-free exploration experience. Extend your airborne adventures with the Fly More kit, offering an impressive 46-minute flight time with 2 intelligent batteries. The user-friendly controls and innovative flight modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest make capturing stunning shots and videos a breeze. Experience whisper-quiet power with brushless motors, ensuring powerful, stable, and virtually noiseless flights. The Holystone HS720E is not just a drone. It's your passport to a quiet, powerful, and maintenance-friendly aerial journey. Number 3. Ricoh F11G IM2. Best for enthusiasts of all skill levels. Ricoh F11G IM2, a drone designed for enthusiasts of all skill levels, especially the youth. Packed with cutting-edge features, this drone is a game-changer for both beginners and experienced pilots. The F11G IM2 is not just a drone, it's FAA remote ID compliant, allowing for easy registration and adherence to aviation regulations. Its sleek black design houses a powerful gimbal plus EIS 4K camera that captures stunning photos and videos with enhanced clarity and stability, thanks to the 2-axis gimbal and triple anti-shake technology. With an impressive 96 minutes of flight time using 3 batteries, this drone ensures extended aerial exploration. Fly confidently up to 6,562 feet altitude at 9,800 feet control range with auto return home on low battery or weak signal. The GPS flight feature, combined with multiple control options, including waypoint, follow me, and point of interest, makes piloting the F-11G IM-2 a breeze. The digital remote controller provides real-time flight data and convenient buttons for capturing photos, recording videos, and adjusting camera settings. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE. Best beginners friendly. Potensic Atom SE, a lightweight and foldable drone designed for adult users, especially beginners. This feature-packed drone redefines the flying experience with cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design. Weighing less than 249 grams, the Atom SE is FAA compliant, eliminating the need for registration. Its foldable design and brushless motor contribute to its lightness, ensuring a level 5 wind resistance for stable flights. The 4K EIS camera, equipped with Sony sensor technology, captures crystal clear images and smooth videos with a 118 degrees FOV and a vertical plus 20 degrees to minus 90 degrees camera. With an impressive 62 minutes of flight time and 4 km FPV transmission range, this drone goes beyond expectations. The Surgefully flight control system offers beginner-friendly modes like video, normal, and sport, allowing pilots to progress from novice to advanced levels. The Atom SE comes with two intelligent 2,500 mAh batteries, each providing up to 31 minutes of flight time. It supports PicSync 2.0 technology for stable video transmission and features autonomous flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight for creative aerial exploration. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Best overall. DJI Mini 4 Pro, a powerful and compact drone designed for adults. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone eliminates the need for registration, ensuring a hassle-free and user-friendly experience for all your adventures. Capture breathtaking moments in stunning detail with the 4K/60 fps HDR camera, showcasing sunrise, sunset, and night scenes with impressive clarity. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology enhances safety, allowing you to fly confidently with precise obstacle detection in all directions. Experience extended battery life for uninterrupted flights, exploring vast landscapes without the worry of battery anxiety. The 20 km F8D video transmission provides lag-free, real-time aerial views, immersing you in the beauty of your surroundings. Take control of your drone's tracking trajectory with the new Active Track 360 degrees, achieving seamless and customizable operation effects. The package includes 3 45-minute flight time batteries, a charging hub, and a shoulder bag for enhanced flight time, fast charging, and convenient transportation. So there you have it, our top picks for the best drones for beginners in 2024. Whether you're looking to capture stunning aerial footage or just want to experience the thrill of flying, these drones offer the perfect balance of ease of use and advanced features. Don't miss out on the latest prices. Check out the links in the description. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow enthusiasts, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Stay tuned with us for all the latest content, tips, and reviews on the exciting world of drones. Happy flying!